In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate Remitly and auth Remitly.com. Whether you're new to Remitly or simply want a refresher on setting up an account, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Let's start by heading over to the Remitly website. It's easy to find. Simply search for Remitly in your web browser and click on the official site. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to browse around if you like, or jump straight into action by locating and clicking on the sign up button. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the web page. Clicking sign up begins the account creation process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to log in, with either your Google or Apple account. Opting to continue with one of these accounts simplifies the process, as it uses your pre-existing credentials to save you the time and effort of entering new information. This is particularly convenient if you already manage many of your online activities through either Google or Apple. After selecting your preferred sign-in method, the next step is to choose your country. This is crucial as it informs Remitly where you are sending money from and could affect the services available to you. You'll see a list of countries, and you should scroll through and select the one you're currently residing in. Once you've picked your country, you'll click Next to move forward. This straightforward confirmation lets the platform know you're ready to proceed with entering more details about your account. Now, you're at the point where you need to decide on your sending profile. Remitly offers you the flexibility to either send money as yourself or on behalf of a business. If you're an individual simply sending money to family or friends, select Send as yourself. If, however, you're doing this for business purposes, you'll need to opt for the Send as a Business choice. Your selection here determines the type of account you'll set up and can affect transactional features and limits. After making the selection, you'll be guided to click Continue, finalizing your initial setup. This wraps up your initial foray into creating an account with Remitly, and from here you can explore more about sending funds and other features the site has to offer. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to get you started with Remitly. Whether you're tapping into international transfers for personal or professional reasons, understanding these initial steps will set you up on the right path. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it. See you in the next video.